Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Ensure to subscribe to our podcast in all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description to access our digital courses and ebooks. How to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on is a great one to start with. We have 3 ebooks right now: the 10 new rules of money, the one that I just gave you, and how to invest in crypto to build wealth, understand then Bitcoin and blockchain. Today, Bitcoin is the new money in town. It's a currency. It's not just an asset to hold for capital gains income. So in order to build true wealth, we need to diversify among the 5 different asset classes that exist so that we can hedge for inflation and protect ourselves from down economies. Remember that here at Master Investor, what we do is that we focus on building our asset column with real assets that we control, and that's how we thrive with that type of income, passive income and capital gains income that comes from our investment. Okay, so what we do in our community is that we focus on building our asset column with real assets that we control. Here at Master Investor, we never tell you where to invest your money. In fact, you're going to learn how to invest your money by simply applying the new rules of money and the knowledge that you're learning inside of our community here with our content and daily educational tips about financial education. Okay, so start investing today because we have so many resources available. We have communities, we have the information to us on our fingertips. So learn how to monetize our passions and solve problems in the world so that we can create passive income and total freedom. Today is March 2nd, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule is: use debt to become wealthy. All debt is tax-free because money is created with debt. Today's title is Strategies for Building a Successful Business Online. In today's digital age, establishing a successful business online has become not just a possibility, but a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs worldwide. With the right strategies and execution, individuals can leverage the power of the internet to reach a global audience, generate revenue, and build a sustainable business. Here are some key tactics to consider when embarking on the journey of building a thriving online business. Number 1, identify our niche. One of the first steps in building a successful online business is identifying a niche market. Research and identify a specific audience with unmet needs or undeserved interests. By focusing on a niche, we can tailor our products or services to meet the unique demands of our target customers, setting ourselves apart from broader competition. Number 2, create a compelling brand. Our brand is what sets us apart from our competitors and leaves us a lasting impression on our audience. Invest time and resources into developing a strong brand identity that reflects our values, mission, and vision. From our logo and website design to our messaging and tone, ensure consistency across all touching points to build trust and credibility with our audience. Number 3, build a professional website. Our website serves as a digital storefront for our business. It should not only be visual appealing, but also user-friendly and optimized for conversions. Invest in professional web design, ensure fast loading times, and prioritize mobile responsiveness to provide a seamless browsing experience for our visitors. Additionally, incorporate search engine optimization, in parentheses SEO, best practices to improve our website's visibility and attract organic traffic. Number 4, content marketing. Content is key in the online world. Develop a robust content marketing strategy to engage our audience, establish thought leadership, and drive traffic to our website. Create high-quality, relevant content such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, and infographics that provide value to our audience and address their pain points. Consistency is key, so regularly publish fresh content to keep our audience engaged and coming back for more. Number 5, utilize social media. Social media platforms offer powerful tools for reaching and engaging with our target audience, identify the platforms where our audience spends their time and establish a presence there, share valuable content, interact with our followers, and leverage paid advertising to expand our reach and drive traffic to our website. Additionally, monitor social media conversations to gather insights into our audience's preferences and behavior, enabling us to refine our marketing efforts accordingly. Number 6, offer exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is essential for building trust and loyalty with the audience. Be responsive to customer inquiries and feedback, whether through email, social media, or live chat support. Strive to exceed customer expectations at every touch point and actively seek feedback to identify areas for improvement and enhance the overall customer experience. Number 7, embrace e-commerce. If we are selling products online, invest in an e-commerce platform that offers a seamless shopping experience for our customers. Opt for a secure payment gateway, streamline the checkout process, and provide multiple payment options to cater to different preferences. Additionally, leverage data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and optimize our product offerings and pricing strategies accordingly. Number 8, focus on scalability. As our business grows, scalability becomes increasingly important. Plan and invest in scalable systems and processes that can accommodate growth without sacrificing efficiency or quality. Automate repetitive tasks, leverage technology to streamline operations, and continuously evaluate and refine our business model to adapt to changing market dynamics. In conclusion, building a successful business online requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to evolving trends and technologies. By implementing these strategies and staying focused on delivering value to our audience, we can position our online business for long-term success in the digital marketplace and create total freedom. I appreciate you listening to another extraordinary podcast. Let me know if you have any feedback in the comment section. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and all other social media platforms. We're doing a live stream every single day. We're sharing content that helps us build our asset column. Remember that 2 types of debt, good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes us wealthy because it's the type of debt that we use to buy or build an asset that produces passive income and capital gains income. And bad debt is the type of debt that we use to get a liability. There's nothing wrong with bad debt as long as we have good debt and assets paying for that bad debt expense. Today, money is created with debt. That's why debt is tax-free legally. So learn how to use the new rules of money. Click the link in the description. Join our inner circle. I'll talk to you in the next podcast. Stay tuned in because we are releasing new content every single day that will help you ultimately. So thank you for supporting Master Investor. I appreciate your business. And stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.